Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add Siri on your GetContact app. Now if you want to add Siri on the GetContact app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GetContact app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the GetContact app. So this is the home page of GetContact, where you'll see various option on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. Now to add Siri on a GetContact app, click on the option of menu at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option which says notifications, SMS protections, spam call protections, and all of it. So scroll down until you see the option of settings, and here at the very bottom you'll see the option of add to Siri. Now it says would you like to use GetConnect with Siri, so click on the option of allow, and here you'll see the button which says add to Siri, so click on it. Now it will take you to the settings page where you just need to click on the option of add to shortcut. So if you say hey Siri, so as you can see that it has already been activated on my GetContact app. So that's it, that's how you can add Siri to your GetContact app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.